it is Destiny and Sam out here at County Line Cameras in Gulfport, Mississippi. We are so excited to show you this Gulfstream we are looking at right here behind us, a 2026. Sam's also excited to show you his side-by-side Razor. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna do a quick video tour of the outside and the inside. If you like what you see, keep watching because we're about to go into all the details that this unit has to offer. All right, so we're gonna be starting right here at the front. We have a nice smooth-sided camper, diamond plate coming up just over halfway. They give you a bottle opener and a latch to tie up a pup right here on the front. Getting 2 large LP tanks and that nice cover. Underneath this cover back here is actually the battery disconnect. So it's tucked away for you. Got your batteries right here. And this is a power tongue jack. You've got a light on it also. Coming over, we have got manual stabilizer jacks. You're gonna have 2 on the front, 2 on the back. You are prepped for a solar charge. It's solar on the side if you'd like to add it. Pass-through storage, I really like that they finish it out in here with the flooring. This flooring is all solid piece. This is completely fused and vacuum bonded to the subfloor itself. And so this is a solid piece, front to back, side to side, all the way through the coach. Right here, we have magnetic clips for our latches. And I also like that these are all one key. So one master key is going to open your compartments and your front door. Nice dark tint on these windows, helping with privacy, but also keeping the sun rays from heating up the coach. City water connection, and then we have our holding connection right here. You've got a gray tank, and then we'll have a black tank pool right back here. And one slide out, double axle. So look at that. Look at the bottom of that slide out. Sam's showing you everything as well. Coming to our backside, another stab jack and cable antenna hookup. If you did not know, the bumper is a great place to store your sewer hose. You just take these caps off, slide it all the way through. It's going to keep your compartments from getting all icky. Right here, we are on 30 amp power. It's your plug-in, and you are prepped for a backup camera in the event you would like to add one. It is set to go. I also like that they, bless you, they put your spare tire conveniently right here on the back. Coming over to this side, we have our exhaust for our hot water heater. Potable drinking water right there. Your other stabilizer jack. This is cable antenna and outlet, so that way you can hook up a television right here, and it's under your awning. I also like that the door is under the awning also, so you can still enjoy some outside entertainment even if it's raining a little bit. This is your exhaust for your furnace. And step above steps, these are pretty neat because they're going to lift up and fold into the door, so nothing is hanging down below as you are towing. These also have telescopic pedals, so you can adjust them if like one side's on a rock or something. And if you also know, top step is a little bit larger, so you can kick off your shoes and leave them out so you don't dirty up the camper. This is pretty neat. They add this plastic guard here, so that way you're not kicking into it when you are coming to open up the screen door. It is detachable, and you do have a window inside that door. Extra large grab handle. This here isn't going to stay like that, sticking out that far, but it's going to fold up and over your door, so that way it's smooth for towing. Your LP quick connect is actually going to be right back here. That's going to allow you to hook up a grill or crawfish boil or, you know, just whatever. It's going to pull straight from your LP tanks up here on the front. And coming through here, the other side of our pass-through storage with a motion sensor light. It looks really dim because my jump box is dying on me, but hopefully it gives us enough juice to get through the inside, which let's go check it out right now. Y'all, I do apologize. My jump box is completely losing juice on me. So they look a little dim. They will not look like this when it's plugged up to full power. Coming in, I really like this little entry setup. This is a great spot to throw your phones. You got some outlets, some chargers. This right here is a bracket. You're going to get a portable speaker with this. So it Velcros right here, and then you can just take it off and take it outside with you. We've got some overhead storage utilizing that corner. This would also be a great spot for your coffee pot. More storage under here. This is your breaker and fuse box, centrally located. Fire extinguisher right here by the door. Little handle as you come out too. Sam's showing you as well. This is the coolest floor plan. So it's like a rear entertainment, so your kitchen and TV. Your TV is going to go right here. It's prepped and back to go. So you plug it up. Here's your outlets. You're also pre-wired to basically turn your coach into its own hotspot. You're just going to do the rvlink.com and get that connected if you would like to do that. We've got storage all the way across here. Got a little cubby right up here and more overhead as well. That's coming all the way down. Large window over this massive sink setup. This is going to open so you can let a good cross breeze come in. It's also going to be your emergency exit. You have the accordion blackout shades on your windows. Nice little fabric vinyl topper up here. Another outlet and more storage back there. Look at this countertop. Beautiful. Yep, including your toy. Beautiful countertop. They also carry it over here to the entertainment side. Kind of like a faux marble look. It looks really nice. But I really like the double sink. And it's under mount too. Don't mind the pink stuff. It's just your winterization fluid, which is why they now have started putting the balloons on our units. This does have a two-tone setting for your sprayer. And it does come down. Very residential. I really like that. 3-burner cooktop. They give you this glass cover because it gives you more countertop space, but then it also provides a nice backsplash when you peel it back. And then we've got our air fryer, convection microwave. How awesome. An air fryer. I don't know how they do it. It's incredible. You can do a full-on roast. You can bake something in this, but how neat is that? Got a nice little LED backlight right here. And more storage coming all the way through. Yep, let's open and open. And all of our drawers are going to be the fully extending drawers. Going to come out nicely for you right here. And you've got that going all the way up. Got more open storage right here under the entertainment section. This fireplace is really neat. It's a 31-inch gray stone. This can put out heat, and it's on your power, so you're not using up your LP like you would for your furnace. But if it's hot like it is today, you could just light it up for a pretty ambiance and use it as a nightlight. More storage over this way. And then our refrigerator, good size, adjustable shelving, good size freezer. Now I really like that they do this. That vinyl flooring I was telling you about, look, they don't throw carpet in your slide out. This is also vinyl. It's just this heavy weight, and it matches, and it looks so seamless, and it's super easy to keep clean. Your table is really neat too, because you can remove these legs and drop this tabletop down to these brackets and spread out your cushions. And this is going to make a sleeping space. So you could definitely bring the grandbabies with you and have some party crashers. Got another large sliding window here that, yes, has a screen. We got some chargers right here. So you can sit on, play on your phone. And like I said, grandbabies will love it. You do have some little hidden storage under these. And see, that flooring finished out as well, just like I said, all the way through the whole subfloor. We've got our furnace vents down here, AC blowers up overhead, so you do have that central air, smoke detector. You do have a vent right here in the kitchen space. You can open it up, let that smoke out. We've got an outlet over here, movie theater style recliners. Very nice. And look at this, wireless charging. Just lay your phone right down there and you're going to be able to charge up that cell phone. We have got built-in cup holders as well. And these are the manual pulls. And I like that they're just tucked in here, and I feel it's way easier than the power, because sometimes the power can go a little slow. Find yours. That side has it too. Okay. And moving back to the hallway space, another large window with the slider and the blackout shade. On-demand hot water heater. How incredible is that? As long as you have LP in those tanks, you guys can take as long as showers as you want and not fight over who sucked up all the hot water. Got our light switch for the hallway, and your heat and air conditioner is all going to be controlled right here from this digital display. And then up overhead, you have got your control panel, water heater, water pump, your lights on and off, the ability to check your tanks, your awning in and out, and your slide in and out. Super basic for you. All right, Sam's showing you the bathroom, so let's go in here. we have got solid surround. This is the duoform plastic. It's got the built-in little ledges, a nice skylight, and there is a little separate base that could be perfect for a child to be able to splash around. Yeah, good job. And have a little bit of a bath. You do get the shower curtain that comes with this. I'll put that right up there in all of your open storage. We have our foot flush toilet, and we have got a vent up overhead. And this does have a fan on it, so you can open it up and suck out all that moisture. You have got your medicine cabinet right here, outlets, light switch, nice extended countertop here, a good sink, deep, not super shallow, which I always notice, and more storage right under here. All right, Sam, anything else in the bathroom? Oh, yes. They give you towel hooks already drilled in straight to the frame so you can confidently hang up those towels. Yep, I'm going to show them the bathroom, or the bedroom, okay? Sammy, where are you? Come on, we're in the bedroom now. Okay, you are prepped for a TV in the event you'd want to add one. It's ready to go here, and they give you all of your hookups. Look at this. All this storage coming down. And we have got some open storage overhead and some here. But on this side, you're going to have hanging wardrobe. So if you want to bring a few outfits up on some hangers, you can put them right over here. There. Okay, and you see how deep it goes too. Each side is going to have their little end tables with their outlets and their chargers. And again, both sides will have that, as well as individual reading lights overhead. Yeah, I already showed them that, silly. We're going to show them under the bed now. And look at that, completely finished up under the bed. All right, let's move our fingers. Close, close. Good job. You do have a window, again, with the slider screen, and this one's going to be your emergency exit. So both of these are going to pop open really nice and give you a good cross breeze. And, of course, your accordion shade right there. Come out and visit us. We're open 7 days a week. We are located in Gulfport, Mississippi. You can also visit us at countylinecampers.com. We are locally owned and operated, husband and wife team out here with the kid. Showing you the best that we have to offer, about 100 campers all over our lot, and I try and do walkthrough videos on all of them. So even if you are not super local to us, give us a call. We would love to try and earn your business, and we can make a deal happen no matter where you are located. Very competitive pricing and very great products. So when you all think camping, think the County Line Campers. Bye.